ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to review Panderm Plus Cream. So Panderm Plus Cream, it comes in a package of white as you see, and it's of 15 grams. Basically, Panderm Plus Cream, it is used in treating skin infections like rashes, skin irritation, inflammation, and other patches. It belongs to the brand of McLeod's, and the main ingredients used in Panderm Plus Cream are Ofloxacin. It's used in treating bacterial infections, and Ornidazole. This is used in treating infections. Terbinafine Hydrochloride for treating fungal infections, and Clobetasol Propionate. This is a steroid which helps in reducing the inflammation. So this cream, it should be used once or twice a day daily, but make sure that it should not be applied when you're going into the sun exposure, as the treatment will not be that effective if the person goes in sun. Try applying it in the evening times. Let's unbox this cream and see how it looks like inside. So the cream looks like this. And this is a review of Panderm Plus for today.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and